Inside a fire ant mound, also known as a colony, lies a highly organized and complex network of tunnels and chambers that serves multiple functions crucial to the survival and operation of the ant community. The mound is primarily composed of soil, sand, and other materials that the ants excavate from beneath the ground. These materials are meticulously arranged to provide structural stability and protection from environmental factors such as rain and predators. The mound's outer structure, typically rising above ground, is just the tip of a vast underground network that can extend several feet deep and wide. The entrance and exit holes, strategically placed, serve as access points to the underground fortress. The internal tunnels, often spiraling downwards, allow for efficient movement and temperature regulation, which is vital for the colony's survival, especially in extreme weather conditions. Within this subterranean network, each chamber has a specific function that contributes to the colony's overall well-being. The Queen's Chamber, often located at the deepest and most secure part of the mound, is where the queen ant resides, continuously laying eggs to ensure the colony's growth and survival. Surrounding the queen's chamber are the brood chambers, meticulously maintained by worker ants to provide the ideal conditions for developing eggs, larvae, and pupae. These chambers are a hive of activity, with workers constantly tending to the young, feeding them, and moving them to different areas within the chamber to maintain optimal growth conditions. Food storage chambers are another critical component of the mound structure. These chambers store the colony's food reserves, including seeds, insects, and honeydew. The ants' foraging expeditions are highly organized, and they bring back a variety of food items that are stored and managed by designated worker ants. This ensures a steady food supply, even during harsh conditions when foraging outside the mound is not possible. There are storage chambers within the mound that house food supplies such as seeds, insects, and honeydew, which are collected and brought back by foraging ants. Worker ants also construct refuse chambers to isolate waste and dead ants from the living areas, helping to maintain colony hygiene. The mound's ventilation system, facilitated by the design of the tunnels and the positioning of the entrance and exit holes, ensures a steady flow of fresh air throughout the colony. The refuse chambers are equally important, as they help to maintain the hygiene and health of the colony. These chambers are used to store waste materials, including dead ants, thereby preventing contamination of the living and brood chambers. The entire mound is ventilated through a series of strategically placed tunnels and openings, which facilitate air circulation, remove excess heat, and maintain humidity levels. This sophisticated ventilation system is crucial for the colony's survival, as it prevents the buildup of carbon dioxide and other harmful gases. In essence, a fire ant mound is a complex and highly efficient living system, where each part is meticulously designed to support the various needs of the colony. The ants' ability to construct and maintain such an elaborate structure showcases their remarkable social organization and adaptability. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.